Why do we hiccup? One moment you're fine, then suddenly, hic. One hiccup turns into many. Why does this even happen? Hiccups feel random, but they're actually your body reacting to a small internal misfire. They start with a muscle called the diaphragm, which sits just below your lungs and helps control breathing. When the diaphragm suddenly spasms, it pulls air into your lungs faster than normal. Right after that, your vocal cords snap shut, creating the familiar hic sound. Hiccups can be triggered by eating too fast, drinking soda, swallowing air, or sudden temperature changes. Even laughing hard or getting emotionally excited can confuse the nerves involved in breathing. These actions irritate the nerves connected to the diaphragm, sending mixed signals to your brain. As a result, your nervous system loses rhythm, causing repeated diaphragm spasms. Babies hiccup more than adults, sometimes even before they're born. Scientists believe hiccups help babies' brains practice breathing and muscle control. Thankfully, most hiccups stop on their own when the nervous system resets. But in rare cases, hiccups can last a very long time, even years. The longest recorded hiccup episode lasted more than 68 years. So next time you hiccup, don't panic, it's just your body briefly losing rhythm. Follow for more.